Today, we are going to talk about how to write a personal narrative. What is a personal narrative? It is a true story about yourself. This can be something from your childhood or maybe as recent as your last vacation. Our first step in writing a personal narrative is we should brainstorm our ideas. We should collect our thoughts and think about what we might want to write about and see if we have enough there to make a nice essay. After getting our ideas down, we have to pick a topic. This could be anything from our past, like a vacation, maybe a trip to Disney, or maybe getting our first pet, or as recent as even maybe getting married or having a child. These are all great ideas for a personal narrative. Every good essay should start with a hook. A good hook sentence grabs the audience's attention, and it also sets the tone for the rest of the story. One example of a good hook is from the movie Forrest Gump. When writing a personal narrative, we should always write in the first person, and we should always be using I because this story is all about you. One good tool when writing a personal narrative is to use a graphic organizer. Graphic organizers can help you keep your ideas and thoughts organized, and can also help you prevent you from leaving out important details from your story. Here's an example of a simple graphic organizer that you can use for young children. Just making sure that they know that they need a beginning, a middle, and an end. It is also important that they know that they need to have good details in their story, because details help to make the story more interesting for their reader. Here are some things to think about when writing your essay. Have your idea that you're going to write about. Start with a good hook to keep the reader interested. Use good transitions between ideas to keep the story flowing correctly. Give good details about the events that you're trying to describe. And last, set the right mood by sharing your thoughts and feelings. Our last step when writing our personal narrative is that we should edit and revise our work. We want to make sure that we correct all the mistakes before we hand in our final copy. Let's review some of the things that we should have when we're writing a personal narrative. Make sure that it tells about an event. It can talk about a personal experience. Make sure that it has a beginning and a middle and end. The details should describe an action, thoughts, or feelings, and the writer should use words that create a mental picture for the reader.